Now question is, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. You have to find out A31. Okay. 11th term is 18. A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is given to you 73. You have to find A31. Okay, two things are given to you. A11 is 38. Okay, what is the meaning? A plus 11 minus 1D is equal to 38. We can say A plus 10D is equal to 38. First equation. Okay, now see the second one. A16 is equal to 73. Then A plus 16 minus 1D is equal to 73. Okay, so what is the meaning? A plus 15D is equal to 73. Equation number 2. We have to solve this equation, these two, by elimination method. Change the sign. Okay, after subtracting, this will cut. This is your minus 5b. Okay, this minus 73 plus 38. Then what will come? Minus sign. Okay, this is your 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 6 minus 3 is okay, minus 35. Minus to minus cut. B is equal to 35 upon 5. Here, put value of B in equation number first. Then by first. Put value of this B in equation number 1. See here. This is A plus 10. B is 7. Minus 70, this is what? You will get, this is minus 32. A is minus 32. But last, what you have to find out? A31. Now, A31 means A plus 31 minus 1D. That is A plus 30D. A is your minus 32 plus 30 into what is D? D is coming 7. This is 7. Minus 32 and 210. What will come? 210 here minus 32. What will come? 10 minus 2, 8 and 20 minus 3 is 17. Plus sign will come. This is 178. This is your answer. Question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Total number of terms are 50. It is given 50 terms. Third term is 12. Okay, number of terms are 50, but third term is 12. It is given to you. Last terms. How many terms were there? 50. The last term means A50 is equal to 106. What you have to find? A29 you have to find out. Okay, we have given A3 is equal to 12 and here A50 is equal to 106. A3 we can write A plus 2D. By formula A plus n minus 1D. This is A plus 49D with help of formula A plus n minus 1D. This is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. So you can write A plus 2D is equal to 12 and A plus 49D is equal to 106. D to D cut. This is your minus 47D. This is your what? 94 minus 94. 4. 94 upon 47. This is D. 47 on the 47, 47 to the D is equal to 2. You have to put value of D in equation first. Okay, by first. A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. This is A. Okay, what is, you have to find 29th term, A29. A29 means A plus 29 minus 1D. It means we can write A plus 28D. A is what? A is your 8. 28 into D is what? 2. 56. This will become 64. This is your answer. If the third term and ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? First of all, see what is given in the question. Third term is 4. So you can write A3 is equal to 4. Ninth term is minus 8. Clear? See the question carefully. Ninth term is minus 8. Two things. Which term of AP is 0? Which term of AP is 0? It means AN is equal to 0 and N you have to find out. Clear? Read question carefully. Whatever is given, write in given part. Come on then. We can say A plus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1D is equal to 4. This is A plus 2D is equal to 4. Isn't it? Come on here. This is A plus 9 minus 1D is equal to minus 8. This is A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. 1, 2. A plus 2D is equal to 4. And A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Okay, now see. This will cut. This is minus 6D is equal to 12. What is D then? 12 upon minus 6. This is minus 2. Very clear? Then put value of D in equation number first. You can write by first A plus 2. What is D here? A plus 2. D is minus 2. I am putting minus 2. Okay. 2 to the 4, minus 4 will come. So A will be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now we got it here. A and D. What you have to find? Number of terms. What is given? What is given? An. An is equal to what? We know that n minus 1D. An is given 0. A we know here 8. N minus 1. What is D? D is very clear. It is C. D is here minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 8 will come here. 8 minus 1. This is minus 2. Divided. This is 4 is equal to n minus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to n. N is equal to 5. This is your answer. Like this way you can get number of terms. The 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. First of all, you see what is given in the question. 17th term of AP, A17, exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, it means the difference between 17th term and 10th term is equal to 7. Clear? It means the difference between 17th term and 10th term is equal to 7. What you have to find? Find common difference. Common difference means What do you mean by A17? A plus 17 minus 1 D. So I can write directly A plus 16D. Similarly, A plus 10 minus 1 means 9D is equal to 7. Clear? Then what will be the next step? Simply open the bracket. Minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. A minus A both will cut. Then 16 minus 9. 16D minus 9D. This will be your 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 upon 7. Both will cut. D is equal to 1. This is your